protocol, Ethereum's Wall Street Cheerleader also. Arbitrum integrates Bitcoin. UBS tests ZKSync for gold by Benjamin Schiller February 5, 2025, 10:50 p.m. UTC. Welcome to the protocol, CoinDesk's weekly wrap-up of the most important stories in cryptocurrency tech development. I'm Ben Schiller, CoinDesk's opinion and features editor.in this issue. China tariffs keep Bitcoin in check. Keep watching next video in 1 second. More video 0 seconds of 2 minutes. 48 seconds volume 0% press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Next up AUD/CAD signals China trade war, Hope 01:21, subtitle settings off English font color white font opacity, 100% font size 100% font family Arial character edge none edge color black background opacity 50%, window color black window opacity 0%, reset white black red green blue yellow magenta sign 100% 75% 50% 25% 200% 175% 150% 125% 100% 75% 50% Arial Courier Georgia Impact Lucida Consulta Homa Times New Roman Trebuchet MS Verdananun Raised Depressed Uniform Drop Shadow white black red green blue yellow magenta psi and white black red green blue yellow magenta psi and 100% 75% 50% 25% 0% white black red green blue yellow magenta psi 100% 75% 50% 25% 0% auto 270 P720 P406 P270 P180 live 00:2202:2502:48 story continues below. Don't miss another story. Subscribe to the Protocol newsletter today. See all newsletters. Sign me up by signing up. You will receive emails about CoinDesk products and you agree to our terms of use and privacy policy. Ethereum's Wall Street Cheerleader Avalanche cuts fees by 75%. Arbitrum integrates Bitcoin UBS tests ZKSync for gold. This article is featured in the latest issue of the Protocol, our weekly newsletter exploring the tech behind crypto, one block at a time. Sign up here to get it in your inbox every Wednesday. Network news. Ethereum's Wall Street guy. Ethereum is facing an identity crisis. Its native token, Ether, ETH, is underperforming against competitors, and longtime builders are beginning to question whether the chain's technology is falling behind, and if its community is losing focus. The Ethereum Foundation, the nonprofit that stewards Ethereum's development, has been blamed for many of the network's struggles. Co-founder Vitalik Buterin is spearheading a massive leadership shakeup at the organization, but his central influence over the process has sparked its own controversy. Meanwhile, rival ecosystems like Solana are capitalizing on the uncertainty, attracting top talent and outpacing ETH in the market. Amid this turbulence, a new project, Etherealize, is aiming to bring ETH to Wall Street. Founded by former banker Vivek Raman, Etherealize seeks to bridge the gap between traditional finance and Ethereum, positioning ETH as a serious asset class. Raman, who spent a decade in banking before discovering crypto, believes his traditional finance background gives him a unique perspective. He has spent the past 4 years laying the groundwork for Etherealize, choosing to launch in January, a time of heightened market optimism driven by expectations of a crypto-friendly White House, even as Ethereum grapples with internal disputes and price stagnation. In an interview with CoinDesk's Margot Nijkerk, Raman talks about how he came to create Etherealize, how that group is marketing ETH on Wall Street, and discusses banks' views on Layer 2 rollups. Read more. Avalanche cuts user costs. The cost of using Avalanche, a DeFi-focused smart contract blockchain, has slumped since the implementation of the Avalanche 9000 upgrade on December 16, sending the number of transactions up by more than a third. Since the upgrade, the proof-of-stake blockchain's usage fees, known as gas, have averaged roughly 75% less than in the months beforehand. Data from Flipside and BigQuery show. The number of transactions has increased by 38% to an average of 354,691 a day. Avalanche, the world's 5th largest smart contract blockchain by the market value of its native token AVAX, boasts of a multi-chain structure of C-chain, which handles smart contracts, P-chain for managing staking and validator coordination, and X-chain for processing asset transfers. The upgrade comprised 7 improvement proposals, including ACP 125, which lowered the base fee to run smart contracts on the C-chain to 1 NAVAX from 25 NAVAX. 1 NAVAX is a billionth of an AVAX. The upgrade also replaced the hefty validator fee of 2,000 AVAX with a monthly subscription of 1 to 10 AVAX, opening doors for projects of all sizes to introduce Layer 1, L1, protocols on Avalanche. The goal of the upgrade was to make every component of the Avalanche tech stack cheaper by reducing C-chain fees and removing capital requirements for L1 validators. Stephen Budolf, Ava Labs chief protocol architect, told Decrypt in November. Read more. UBS tests ZKSync. Swiss banking giant UBS said that it completed a proof of concept of its UBS Key 4 Gold offering on the Ethereum Layer 2 network ZKSync. The simulation, which was conducted on a ZKSync test network, is a sign of renewed interest in blockchain technology among traditional financial institutions. This isn't UBS' first experiment with blockchain. The bank previously launched a tokenized money market investment fund, UMint, which is also built on Ethereum. UBS Key 4 Gold is one of the bank's offerings that lets its Swiss clients purchase a direct claim to physical gold. It allows for fractional gold investments with real-time pricing, deep liquidity, secure physical storage, and optional physical delivery, the team said in a press release shared with CoinDesk. The project already exists on the bank's private blockchain, the UBS Gold Network, but the team was looking for ways to scale its project while preserving its privacy. They came to the conclusion that only zero knowledge made sense for them, and so they wanted to really put this in practice for a product that they already have live and what this could look like if they used the Validium instead. Perlenbach, a senior business development manager at Matter Labs, the main developer firm behind ZKSync, told CoinDesk in an interview. ZKSync is a zero-knowledge rollup, a type of Layer 2 scaling system that aims to increase the speed of blockchain transactions and reduce their fees by using zero-knowledge cryptography. A Validium is a different type of Layer 2 similar to that of a rollup, but stores the data of those transactions off-chain. The test transaction may signal that UBS could be looking more closely at using Layer 2 technologies to power some of its activities. However, the bank didn't say whether they would come out with their own Layer 2, and Matter Labs and Bach told CoinDesk that a rollup might not be the right fit for them. Is this the right product for UBS? Perhaps not, but it is something we're just talking openly about and thinking about what could actually be a good use case for them, Bach told CoinDesk. Read more. Arbitrum brings BTC. Arbitrum, one of the leading Layer 2 networks, has announced a new integration with Bitcoin through Bitcoin OS, a smart contract system for the leading crypto. The integration allows for a hybrid rollup, providing more ways for Bitcoin holders to interact with Ethereum. Bitcoin OS's integration with Arbitrum demonstrates how our technology can support innovative Bitcoin ecosystem expansion, said Nina Rong, head of partnerships at Arbitrum Foundation. This collaboration showcases Arbitrum's ability to enable trustless bridging and programmability for Bitcoin, while maintaining the network's core security principles. We're excited to see Bitcoin OS leverage our network to unlock the massive $2 trillion Bitcoin liquidity pool for DeFi and smart contract applications. Arbitrum already has the highest TVL of any Ethereum L2, about $16 billion, as well as 8,333 wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC. Money Center top Cats Taproot Wizards will use $30 million in new funding to build an ecosystem of applications using the OP_Cat Bitcoin Improvement Proposal, an Ethereum-like smart contract functionality for Bitcoin. Bitcoin ransom down payments. The volume of ransoms paid in Bitcoin is falling as more victims refuse to pay, Chainalysis said. Regulatory and policy. Fresh stablecoin legislation is coming to the U.S. Senate, the first of many expected crypto bills set to be tabled in the coming weeks. The bill from Senator Haggerty of Tennessee splits oversight responsibility for stablecoin issuers between states and the federal government. Calendar February 1 to 6, Satoshi Roundtable, Dubai February 19 to 20, 2025. Consensus HK, Hong Kong. February 23 to 24. NFT Paris February March 23 to ETH Denver March 18 to 19. Digital Asset Summit, London May 14 to 16. Consensus, Toronto, May 27 to 29. Bitcoin 2025, Las Vegas.